friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a butt ton of beauty related content, mainly makeup tutorials, which is what we're about to do today. So today's tutorial is a Valentine's Day look. It's just one single look, going a little bit in depth for you today instead of our pretty chill usual content. I'm going to be using this MAC palette here. This is the Art Library Flame Buoyant Eyeshadow Palette. It's absolutely stunning. I've had it for a couple of years now and I haven't used it as much as I had intended to when I first bought it, so I thought this would be a great one to do Valentine's Day. Nice warm neutral with a pop of reddy pink on the eye, and then matching it with a nice deep pink lip instead of your traditional bright red, I think is a nice change. So this is the look that we're going to create today for Valentine's Day, makeup inspired, all of those words that I can never put together properly. So yeah, if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you have created a Valentine's Day makeup look, please put the link down in the comments. I'd love to go and see it and have a chat with you down in the comment section. Let's talk about makeup. It's my favorite thing to do. So yeah, using this palette, I'd love to see if you've done any videos with it as well, or if you have an Instagram with swatches and looks, etc., pop that down there as well. I'd love to see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.